Do you want to learn how to make bacon wrapped smoked lollipop chicken with award-winning barbecue sauce? I'll show you how coming up next. Today we're gonna do some smoking. We're gonna do a couple of things for you. One is the bacon wrapped lollipop chicken, and we're gonna go through the steps on the rub for that and how to prepare it and how to smoke it. We're also gonna prepare some Aaron Franklin barbecue sauce. Let's jump right into the barbecue sauce. So for the barbecue sauce is pretty basic. For the barbecue sauce, you're gonna have a ½ pound of butter. You're gonna have about a tablespoon of minced garlic. You're gonna have a 1/3 cup of onion powder, a 1.5 cups of ketchup. I've already got a ½ cup sitting in the pot. You're gonna have a ½ cup of apple cider vinegar, and you're gonna have 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, and you're going to have about a tablespoon of chili powder and a ½ lemon squeezed. First thing we're going to do is we're going to melt the butter and the onion and the garlic together. We're going to throw the garlic in with the butter. Also the onion powder. We'll let that mix together and melt the butter. Let that butter do its magic, mix in with the garlic and the onion powder. Get it nice and brown. It's almost a roux. It's almost like a base for a gravy, but with onions and garlic. If we get that bubbling a little bit, we're going to take it off the heat. We're going to put our ketchup mix in on the heat. We're going to put our ketchup mix on the heat. Throw our ketchup in there. And let's add the butter, garlic, onion to it. Next, we're going to add apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and the chili powder. And let's mix it all together. Now, if you want to spice this up a little bit, you can throw some sriracha in there, or maybe a jalapeno. Really starting to smell this. You can really smell the vinegar. Maybe some habanero. Done that before. And you want to throw some salt and pepper in there, and then get that lemon squeeze. Right into it. And let's mix it up. All right, we're ready to go with the chicken. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse every single one of these bad boys under cold water. Smoked lollipop chicken. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna take each one of these bad boys and cut it just below the knuckle, all the way down to the bone. And then we're going to clean it up a little bit. You can pretty much hear it once it gets to the bone. So you want to cut through the tendon, through the skin, and through the meat here, kind of on the neck of the leg until you get that clear cut all the way through. Top of the knuckle. You may have to get it to a point where you can either rip it or you can cut it off. You don't want that on there. And then we'll come back and clean this bone up. Let's cut all the way back to the tendon here. Get rid of as much of that as possible. Then you pull it down. Get it all the way pulled down. Get them nice and sprayed. We'll rub them. Oh, just sprinkle them with our mix. So our mix is just equal parts all the essential barbecue ingredients. You've got your garlic pepper, your onion pepper, your paprika, and your cayenne, and then a little bit of salt and pepper. It's basically your staples for your barbecue. Now we're going to pick this bad boy up, sprinkle them down. We get to the smoke part. We are going to be smoking it at 240 degrees. Okay, take a bite into it.
Hot. Hot. Hot.
So, what do you think?
It's the best bacon wrapped drumstick chicken I ever had.
Smoked bacon wrapped lollipop chicken.
Oh.
You boys want to try it?
Heck yes I do, it smells amazing.